పడేస్తాడు. ఇదంతా విన్న ధనవంతురాలు తన పిసినారితనమే తనను ఇబ్బంది పెడుతుందని అర్థం చేసుకొని ఇంటికి వెళ్ళగానే దానం చేయడం మొదలు పెడుతుంది. ఈ కథనే ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుసుకున్నామా? కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో చెప్పాలి. సరే, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ కథనే ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తాను. కథ పేరు మైజర్. Once there was a miser, rich woman living in a village. She was a miser. Village people did not like her. She said to them, "I will give all my money when I die." But the villagers did not trust her. The rich woman always boasted, "When I die, I will grow old. Then all my money will go to charity. They will help you all." The rich woman could not understand why this was so. One day she went for a walk. After some time, she stopped to rest. The cow talking to an oyster thrown by a passerby. Oyster was weeping because it was abundant. The woman overheard the cow talking to an oyster. "I will give milk when I am alive. That is why people call me generous. Do you charitable? Don't you hide your pearls so very tightly in your walls? That is why people search for you and take your pearls and throw you away." The woman realized her mistake and she began to do charity. Thank you, Anandal.